Guys, it's Hutch again. Today we are going to be playing just the regular Path of Legends. Evo Furnace did just come out, so I'm going to be playing with it. Honestly, this is the first time that I've actually played with it, so I'm not sure how it's going to be, but from what everybody's saying, it's just absolutely disgusting. About Evo Furnace here. Goblin Gang to pressure. Let's see what he wants to do. Inferno Tower, that is not the play, my guy. I mean, it is very beginning of season, and we're in the very first rankings, so I don't expect this game to be very hard at all, but after this, we should jump up to the next league, because we were an Ultimate Champion last season, of course, so we should get a pretty big boost. I think it's like 9 games or something. So yeah, it is actually working pretty well in this mortar deck. I figured that it would, that's why I ran it. So we'll just chill. Surprising to see the firecracker still after the nerf. Alright, let's go aggressive, just because I don't think this guy has any ability to do anything. Yeah, who saw that coming? Oh, that still splashes on. Okay, so that was pretty good for him. Snipe that. Oh, the Evo Valk. That was very clutch for him. So, I mean, super easy win. I guess this is his last desperation push. But we'll give him a good game and go on to the next one. Alright, so that's gonna jump us all the way up to whatever. Oh, so we are still in Master 1, so this is gonna, I guess we need to get through a couple real quick. Pancakes. I really hope that this isn't that P.E.K.K.A. Goblin giant. It's very curious to see people still using the firecracker after... Oh, I misplaced that furnace. So this could get a little sticky here, but I'm confident that we're gonna be fine. Okay. So, instead of P.E.K.K.A. Goblin Giant... Ooh, okay. That was well played by him. I'm gonna take some damage here. That really only happened because I misplayed the furnace. Still not worried at all. We're gonna absolutely cook this guy. Okay. Good Mega Knight, dude. Throw this here. We'll get the gang in the back. Hopefully take out that annoying firecracker. Thank you. So what's he have? Scar me? I'm gonna pop the ability. Oh. Andy already used his log, so... Oh, Andy has that. That's fine. We get a bunch of chip damage from the skeletons. And we are looking really good here. Do that. Do this for the Mother Witch or whatever. Right, I'm just getting rid of that thing. I absolutely hate it. I was actually really excited that the firecracker got a nerf because I was hoping that we wouldn't see it anymore. But we are still seeing it be very prevalent. I guess we are playing not very good of people. No offense, I don't mean not very good people, I mean not very highly ranked people. So, Mega Knight's gonna jump, and that's gonna be game, so we'll give him a good game. So now we should be in Master... Okay, yeah. So now we're in Master 2. Hopefully be a little more of a challenge. Okay. Not gonna be more of a challenge. Oh, and just like that, for talking shit, I misplaced that. Still, oh man, still okay though. It's okay. So let's see what he has for this. Alright, so we're gonna get some real good damage. We should take him down to about 1,500. Oh, he placed it in the front. That was really smart, actually. Okay, bar barrel protects him from the last couple shots. So he has what? Bar barrel and arrow? English, please. Bar barrel and arrows. Was it arrows or zap? Or zap was the last match. Okay, yeah, it was arrows. I guess I should trust my gut. So honestly, I think that, wow, that's crazy. I think that the new Furnace synergizes extremely well in this deck. I made a couple adjustments. Like, typically, that was not the play. But typically, I use lightning and, lightning and arrows. I took the arrows out because of the firecracker nerf, but everybody seems to still be running it anyways. Good firebolt. I don't know how I missed that firecracker. I guess I'm just bad at the game. And of course, he's gonna protect this stupid thing with his life. It's a good thing that I'm not feeling really threatened by this game. I mean, that's why I'm playing really lazy, honestly. But obviously, if this was any kind of like real game, ranked ultimate champion, I definitely would not have won. Give him a good game. Play again. But yeah, I took the lightning and the arrows out and put fireball log in. And then we have the ice wizard and ice wizard in the furnace for the defense. Is this that stupid pig's deck? What did he play? Archer Queen, Cannon. I'm sorry, I just absolutely hate this deck. Somehow that Ice Spirit still jumps. Love to see it. Oh wow, that was horrible. He logged on the opposite. Okay, good earthquake. I guess I didn't give him enough credit. Honestly, I just think this deck that he's playing is so corny. 2.9 hog cycle? Or whatever it is. No big spell. Well, earthquake if you count that. But earthquake, log, royal delivery. It is just, it disgusts me. You can't really build up the pre-log on Skellies. Nice. You can't really build up a big pile type push because of the stupid royal delivery and the log, the ice spirit. He's on Evo Cannon. Oh, he doesn't have Evo Cannon. So honestly, I'm not really sure how this match would be against like a top tier player. I'm guessing it would be pretty hard though, just because he can, yeah, that's not it. Just because he can earthquake, cannon prediction. Oh, I didn't get it down in time. Oh well, that's GG's anyways. But with the earthquake and the fast cycle, he can definitely out-cycle me. And, so I don't really think it's that good of a matchup. Whoops. So, where are we now? Still in Master 2. Okay, so yeah, this, these games are definitely not what I was hoping for. I thought we would move up a lot faster than that from last season. I don't know. But I guess I'll have to make another video after this, just with some real games where I'm not playing sloppy because I'm playing the early leagues. Ugh, I hate recruits. I'ma just give them the good game. Oh, that was supposed to be a fireball. So what's he got? Hogs? Okay, perfect. So, not a good start at all. However, I am not concerned. I really do hate recruits. I feel it's the most brain-dead thing you can possibly play. Which is why I BM'd him a little in the beginning, telling him good game. Just because I think his deck's corny. I still have no doubt we're gonna win this. Evo recruits in the back, who would have guessed? Predict the firecracker. Oh, so that, I was gonna say, that better hit that firecracker. Mortar will help out on the left side. Okay. Arrows. Not too bad. So he's probably gonna Goblin Gang here. I'm gonna pop the ability before it dies. Oh, Furnace. That wasn't the play, my friend. Nothing's dying. We're getting rid of that immediately. Wow. So we're already back. Oh, that was unfortunate. Log this. Alright, so there's a walk. That's game, actually. There's no way you can stop this. The wall breakers ran right into the cannon cart's second form because he destroyed it. So, that was what, like 5 games? That's gonna wrap it up for today. Sorry that the games are, you know, really early and easy or whatever, but I was just showing the synergy between the mortar and the new Evo Furnace. So I'll upload later, probably tomorrow, higher gameplay videos or maybe a merge tactic video. I'm almost top 10,000. I've been working on that, so. But regardless, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.